Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can set up Xfinity remote to your TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing, while you're trying to set up Xfinity remote to your TV, you need to identify your remote type. You can see there are 3 different types of remote. You'll need to identify the type of remote that you have. Moving on, after that you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in www.xfinity.com/support/remote/ and you can also find the link on the description box below. And as you type in the link on the other interface, you'll be able to see a multiple remote. So from here you need to select the type of remote that you have, and once you're done selecting it, tap on continue in the bottom right corner. Next step, you need to select the component to control or the type of device that you'd like to control, and after you're done selecting, a drop down menu will appear, and then from the box you need to click on choose the brand. As you do that, a list of options will appear, and from there you need to select the component's brand. Next interface, you need to click on continue in the bottom right corner. After that, you need to review the list of codes, and then you need to turn on the component or the TV. As you turn on your TV, what you need to do is you need to point your remote at the component or the TV, and after that you need to press and hold the TV button in the top left. And as the TV turns on, and then you need to enter the suggested code, and after that you need to look for the confirmation signal. Now try using your remote to control the component, and that is how you can set up Xfinity remote to TV. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.